Today we are going to learn how to create outline effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. This is a simple video footage. First we'll duplicate the layer of this footage. Then go to the effect panel and search Find Edge. We'll drag it into the top of layer. After that we'll head to the effect control panel and here you will see Find Edge effect. We'll enable the invert option. Once you turn this on, the whole image will turn black and white and you will notice some red and yellow parts. Now let's go to the effect panel and search for tint. Drag it into the top of layer. Now entire video will be black and white. Next search for level and apply it the top of layer as well. Then go to the effect control and set the black input level 100% and the white input level 130%. After that go to the effect panel and search for Gaussian blur and apply it the top of layer. In effect control set the blurriness to 8. Then search for 4 color gradient and apply it the top of layer. In the effect control, change the all colors to blue. You will see that as we change the each color, the skin change also changes. Feel free to choose any color you like. Just remember, set the blending mode to soft light. Now everything will have a blue tint. Next, search for VR glow in the effect control panel and apply it to the top layer. Go to the effect control and set the luma threshold to 0. The glow becomes much stronger. You will copy the VR glow effect and paste it again on the layer. Below, to double the effect, set the glow radiance to 350% and set the blurriness to 2. Finally change the opacity blending mode to screen. Now we will create a keyframe animation. To do this, move the top layer forward by 1 second and cut it. Enable both the scale and opacity keyframe. Then move forward by 1 more second. And increase the scale to the point where you like how it looks. For me, this is fine. Set the opacity to 0. Next, I will select the keyframe and set them to ease out and ease in. To make the animation smoother, we will also adjust the curve of the top 2 keyframes to look like a mountain shape for a smoother effect. You will do the same for the opacity keyframe. And now our gradient outline effect is done. If I play it back, you will see the effect and action. Thanks. For more editing tips and tricks like this, follow our channel. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.